What's going on, everyone? This is Tyler again from Fare From Scratch, and today we're going to be making Chipotle Mayo. All we need for this recipe is 2 ingredients, some mayonnaise and a can of chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. For this recipe, all you have to do is take your mayonnaise and peppers and add them to a food processor or blender and then blitz them until completely smooth. I usually do a ratio of 2 cups of mayo for every 7-ounce can of chipotle peppers, but feel free to adjust it to whatever you like. And for some reason here it looks like I forgot how to open a can. The real secret ingredient here is the adobo sauce that the chilies are canned with. You could probably make this by just adding chipotle powder to mayo, but it won't be nearly as flavorful. Once you have your sauce to your desired consistency, give it one last stir to scrape off anything off the sides and blend for another 30 seconds or so. Next, take your sauce and put it into your desired container. If I had a funnel, that would have been perfect here, but instead I resorted to pouring it out of a measuring cup, consequently making a giant mess. And that's basically it. Now you have Chipotle Mayo that is 10 times better than the store-bought kind. This stuff goes great on burgers, sandwiches, or my personal favorite, quesadillas. Thanks again for watching, guys. Once again, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe below so you don't miss out on any of our future recipes. And of course, have a wonderful day.